Hey, if you're tired of waiting for your batteries to charge up when you got work to do, this right here is a serious upgrade. And I'm gonna tell you more about this here in a second. But first, let me tell you, this is from the brand Velgo NYX, and it is sponsored this video, so I give you my honest feedback. That's what I'm doing here in this video. This is the Velgo NYX 210 watt fast battery charger, and it's built for Dewalt 20V max and 60 volt lithium-ion batteries. Now with a 9 amp rapid charge output, it gets your batteries back to work way faster than your standard chargers, which is huge when you're in the middle of a job. Now this also comes with a built-in cooling fan to help prevent overheating during fast charging. Now the LED light right here, it'll keep you updated on the charging status so you're never guessing. It feels solid and reliable, and it's designed for real daily use when you're on a job or working at home. So here's a DeWalt battery that I have right here, and you're simply gonna plug this in. So we get this plugged into the wall. All right, and once you have that plugged in, you simply take your DeWalt battery right here and you put it on over the top. Click it in like that, and there's your signal right there. You can hear the cooling fan running right there. So as it's rapidly charging, it's gonna keep it nice and cool as well. And you see when it's all done there, you get your displays exactly what you want. When you're done, simply pull it out and you're ready to go. So overall, I give this fast charger 2 thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed my review and you get great use out of using this product.